Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to change website logo and title in Elementor. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to animate. So here's my website and now I'm going to change this logo using Elementor. So click on edit with Elementor. And now hover over on logo and then click on this pencil icon, choose image, and now you can upload new logo from your PC or you can select from this media library. So select your new logo, then click on insert media, and here you can see the logo has been changed. And now let's see how to hide title. So in my contact page and this is the title. To hide the title, go to your WordPress dashboard and go to page and click on edit. And now click on edit with Elementor. So first of all, click on this little settings icon and here you'll find this general settings option, and here is the hide title option too. So we have to turn on this, and then here you can see the title has been hidden now. Then click on update. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to animate. Thanks for watching this video.